Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a serious car right here. It is a 428 Super Cobra Jet drag pack car, restored to concourse condition, all correct, documented car. This is the real deal. This is a nice piece. Go to volocars.com. That's where you get all the specs, pricing, photos, top to bottom of this car and a few hundred collector cars we have that are all for sale. But right now, why don't you join me? We'll go for a spin in a Super Cobra Jet. All right, so it's a real 1970 Mach 1. And the Super Cobra Jet, when you ordered the drag pack, that's a 391 or I think a 410 rear end, makes the engine rev higher. So the Super Cobra Jet is essentially a different motor than the Cobra Jet. Everything is heavier duty so it can run the higher RPMs. It has heavy duty cooling, it's a stronger built motor. So it's a pretty interesting, unique muscle car package, like a factory race car just about. And this is documented with the Marti report. It was born as you see it. It's a factory spoiler car. Even the rear sport slats is how this car came. The dual paint stripe on the side, the stripes on the hood, of course the shaker hood. How you see it is how the car came. It has the tags, the metal tags on the motor trans rear end. They make them all correct for this car. The whole bottom of the car was done on a rotisserie, completely detailed. The factory finishes, perfectly clean, dry, original metal. There's just enough little tiny pitting in the metal to tell you it's not new, replaced metal, but it is dry and clean. All the proper finishes. They use primer where they're supposed to. They use undercoat where they're supposed to. The whole front end is rebuilt, again, in all the proper finishes, has assembly line markings, correct exhaust system, all new correct fuel system. The brakes are all redone, the brake lines, fuel lines, all redone. Disc brakes up front. It has the C6 automatic transmission and a 390 traction lock rear end in there. This is an actual shaker hood. That's ram air. The air is forced right into the motor. This is medium green metallic paint. The metal flake is laid out real nice and smooth. There's no blotchy areas, and the clear coat finish, it looks like you could dive right in. It is deep. It is polished out like glass. It's a beautiful paint job. Looks like all the chrome is redone. The marker lights, tail lights, bumper, gas cap, emblems, it's all been redone. Even the chrome around the quarter window, door handles, the stainless. The wheels are new Magnum 500 wheels with Goodyear Polyglass reproduction tires. It has the sport mirrors. So outstanding restoration on the exterior. Motor compartment. It's done to concourse condition. It has the smog equipment. It has the complete air cleaner assembly with the heat riser tube that goes down to the manifold. Everything's done in the proper finishes, the right stickers, the assembly line marks. It's got the aluminum fin valve covers, the right hoses and clamps. This is the heavy duty cooling. That's for the higher revving Super Cobra Jet engine. So then they had to move the horns over. That's unique to the Super Cobra Jet. This one has power steering and power brakes, so it's a drivable car. Also has a factory choke. There's a choke handle underneath the dash, and there's a sticker right next to it telling you how to use the car and pull the choke out till it warms up. So again, practically a factory race car right here. They made 857 altogether, so it's a rare piece. To find one that's this nice with these options, it's a rare find. Trunk compartment also concourse restored. Looks like it's the original quarter panels. Because it came with a spoiler from the factory, It has the factory prop rod. That's the way this car was born. It has a matching reproduction tire, restored rim and jack, new trunk mat, the thick mat with the rubber on top of the gas tank. It's all painted in the proper finishes, real nice and glossy under here. New weather strip, decals, the latches are detailed. That's a wide oval spare, so it is an old type tire, but it does not match these, I just noticed. Interior is completely restored. I honestly thought it was a black interior. It's called Ivy. It's a really dark green. All the interior lights work. The little shift indicator light works. The AM radio works. It's in excellent condition from carpet to headliner. It's got the sewn-in mats into the carpet. The console's restored beautifully. The only thing I've seen, and it's an easy fix, the two little chrome knobs on the AM radio, the chrome is peeling off. Other than that, it is excellent inside here. We'll fire it up for you. Instrument panel, the chrome bezels, it's all sparkling. Headliner is real nice. It has a manual choke. Until it warms up, you gotta leave it out a little bit. Oh. So there you have it, a concourse restored, documented, numbers correct car, the correct motor, transmission, rear end, born as you see it. This is definitely an investment grade car. Conditions very impressive. Had 85,000 actual miles before restoration. It's indicated on the title that it's actual. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll answer any questions we can about the car or the entire process, how to ship it home, how to put a hold on the car, financing, whatever it may be, let us know. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got some great cars just posted and a bunch more great ones coming up. Thanks to everyone who's been watching, and do come back for more.